6 psychological triggers that make women feel safe around a high-T man. Most men think women feel safe around men who are nice, agreeable, or emotionally expressive. That belief quietly destroys attraction. Because real safety has nothing to do with softness. It has everything to do with stability, restraint, and self-containment. Women don't relax around men who explain themselves too much. They relax around men whose presence answers questions without words. A high-T man doesn't try to make women feel safe. He simply is, and safety becomes a side effect. Today, we're breaking down 6 psychological triggers that signal this kind of masculine safety. Not from theory, not from feel-good advice, but from observation, experience, and pattern recognition. Once you understand these, you'll realize something important. Women aren't responding to what you say. They're responding to how regulated your nervous system is. Let's get into it. Number 1. Emotional regulation under stress. This is where most men fail. Anyone can be calm when things are easy, but very few men stay composed when challenged, tested, or disrespected. A high-T man does not snap. He does not rush to defend himself. He does not emotionally bleed just because tension enters the room. He pauses. He observes. He responds, if a response is even necessary. Women are constantly scanning for emotional volatility, even unconsciously. A man who reacts impulsively registers as unpredictable. Unpredictability equals danger. But when a man remains emotionally regulated, her nervous system relaxes. Her emotions settle faster. Conflict loses its intensity. This doesn't mean emotional shutdown, it means emotional command. You can feel anger without acting on it. You can feel frustration without dumping it. That control tells her if things get intense, he won't collapse or explode. That's safety. 2. Clear boundaries without explanation. A high-T man doesn't announce his boundaries. He doesn't argue them. He doesn't debate them. He lives them. If something doesn't work for him, he removes himself. If a line is crossed, he addresses it calmly or disengages. No lectures, no ultimatums, no emotional outbursts. This creates safety because uncertainty creates anxiety. When a woman knows where a man stands, what he tolerates and what he doesn't, she can relax because there's no guessing game. Men who lack boundaries create emotional chaos because their standards shift depending on fear of loss. Consistency is calming. A man with boundaries is predictable. Predictability is safety. 3. Consistent masculine presence. Not loud, not performative, not exaggerated, consistent. A high-T man shows up as the same man on good days, on bad days, when he's winning, when he's challenged. His energy doesn't swing wildly. His mood doesn't dictate his behavior. His identity doesn't change based on who's watching. Women are deeply sensitive to inconsistency. One day warm, the next cold. One moment confident, the next insecure. One version public, another private. That inconsistency creates emotional instability. But when a man's presence is steady, she knows what to expect. She knows where she stands. She knows the ground won't shift under her feet. That predictability doesn't kill attraction, it anchors it. Consistency signals maturity. Maturity signals leadership. Leadership signals safety. 4. A self-contained sense of worth. This is the core. Everything else rests on this. A high-T man does not outsource his self-esteem. He doesn't need validation. He doesn't fish for reassurance. He doesn't crumble when approval is withheld. His worth is internal. And that matters because women instinctively avoid men who make them responsible for their emotional stability. When a man needs constant affirmation, he becomes a burden, not a protector. A self-contained man sends this message without saying it. I enjoy you, but I don't need you to feel whole. That removes pressure. And when pressure leaves, attraction breathes. 5. Pausing before reacting. This is one of the most overlooked traits of masculine power. A high-T man does not react instantly. He doesn't snap. He doesn't defend himself emotionally. He doesn't rush to explain his intentions. He pauses. That pause communicates control. When tension appears, a disagreement, a test, a moment of emotional charge, most men betray themselves by scrambling to fix, justify, or calm things down. A grounded man assesses first. That ability to pause tells her this man is not ruled by impulse. And impulse is what makes men dangerous, not masculinity. Women trust men who can stay level-headed when emotions rise, because those men don't turn unpredictable under pressure. The pause is power. 6. The ability to walk away calmly. Not dramatically, not as a threat, not to manipulate, just calmly. A high-T man doesn't cling to outcomes. He doesn't chase energy that isn't reciprocated. He doesn't negotiate his value when interest drops. And here's why this creates safety. Nothing unsettles a woman more than a man who needs her to stay. Need introduces pressure. Pressure creates anxiety. When a man can walk away without anger, bitterness, or collapse, it signals something powerful. I will be fine whether you stay or go. That communicates self-trust. And self-trust is the foundation of safety. A man who can leave without hostility is a man who won't explode when disappointed, rejected, or challenged. Women feel that instantly. What men get wrong about making women feel safe? Here's the hard truth most men don't want to hear. Trying to make a woman feel safe is usually what makes her feel unsafe. Over-explaining, over-comforting, over-empathizing, over-adjusting. All of it signals instability. Safety is not something you perform, it's something your nervous system broadcasts. You cannot fake this long term. It comes from discipline, self-respect, emotional regulation, a life that doesn't revolve around validation, and ability to be alone without panic. When you embody these traits, something interesting happens. Women test you less. Conversations feel easier. Silence stops feeling heavy. Tension dissolves faster. Not because you became nicer, but because you became grounded. Masculinity that is calm is deeply disarming. Here's the takeaway. Women don't feel safe around men who promise protection. They feel safe around men who don't need anything from them to stay stable. High-T masculinity isn't loud. It isn't aggressive. It isn't performative. It's quiet, centered, and self-directed. The moment you stop trying to manage how women feel and start managing yourself, everything shifts. If this connected dots you hadn't seen before, drop a comment and give this video a thumbs up. If you want more grounded masculine psychology without fluff, subscribe. And remember, a man who is at peace with himself becomes a place others feel safe to rest or leave. Stay sharp.